about the same as we have, 4 Basilis too.
Oh, that's gonna be
Oh
awesome.
my fucking god.
Load
Where are
EM.
they? Where are they?
They're walking towards us, I think.
Should we
Yep.
load EM?
Okay. Yeah, load EM guys, load EM, load EM.
Why?
Is that worth it? That is
not
not
worth it
worth
against
it.
Drakes.
Don't load
That is
EM,
not
Jesus.
worth it. Holy shit.
Thank
Just stick with fucking Scourge Rage.
Yeah, unless we're shooting Basi.
Here they
Here
are.
they come.
Okay, we're gonna primary the Drake of Elich first. Broadcast it, go for him, go for him. Burn guys,
For
burn.
HAMDrakes. Also.
Someone record this right now.
Broadcast secondary.
I'm recording.
Secondary is no donor, broadcast it.
Logic Carlos.
Kill Alex guys, kill Alex.
Give him the heat.
Alright, broadcast it to Toro, broadcast it to Toro, switch to him now. Switch to Toro.
I have Stiletto on me.
Dali is being primary.
Keep on Toro guys. Okay,
No primary.
go for White Dawn, go for White Dawn.
50 kills.
On it,
50,
on it,
go
on it,
for
on it.
that.
What's primary?
Secondary is no donor.
White Dawn, White Dawn.
White Dawn is primary. Secondary is no donor.
We're tanking them fine.
We
Okay,
breaking them?
switch to no donor, switch to no donor.
But they tank muted.
Secondary is
spreading their
SPI, secondary is SPI.
Need more bubble.
Heat, heat, heat.
He's tanking.
They can't kill
Joey's gem, Joey's gem.
Okay, go for SP, go for
Heat
SP.
reps Hystelia. Heat reps Hystelia.
Hornets.
Come on guys, switch to SPI. Secondary is white, secondary is white. Switch to white, switch to white now, switch to white now.
Near needs reps, near needs reps.
Media get medium.
Well, I'm gonna go down.
Fisty, how are you doing? Fisty,
I'm clearing them as fast as possible.
Heat DPS, heat DPS.
heat
Media get
DPS
your
guys.
medium transfer on
Near
Heat
down.
DPS, heat DPS, heat DPS. Okay, switch to flash, switch to switch. Flash is broadcasted. Overheat, overheat.
Switching to next.
Keep clearing ECM drones, Fisty, keep clearing.
Yeah, I'm doing as fast as possible, baby. Should we all just clear ECM for a round? Or are they too far?
Please.
If we can.
We can put our drones on ECM
Get
drones.
reps next.
Yeah, put your drones in ECM drones, put your drones in ECM drones, guys.
We killed anything?
Switch
Yes.
to Alex, switch to Alex.
Okay,
Switch
large,
to Alex,
large on
switch
turn.
to Alex.
Hello?
I'm clear now, I'm clear now. Yeah, coming, coming.
Mia, keep your medium on boon.
Who needs more cap?
They're on Zabos?
Vio is secondary, Vio secondary. Switch to Vio now, switch to Vio now.
Zabos needs reps. Or any Logis gem.
Clear.
Keep on Vio, guys, keep on Vio. Secondary is gonna be Joni, secondary is gonna be Joni. Heat your DPS, heat your DPS. Never mind, he's getting reps. Okay, stop cycling, stop cycling. Make sure you have Joni locked. Go for Joni now, go for Joni now.
Reps Hystelia, reps Hystelia.
Come on guys, go for Joni, go for Joni. Secondary is no Donok again, secondary is no Donok again.
Logic, you can anchor up on boon. Reps Captain Jobster, guys.
Okay,
Alright.
go for no Donok. Go for no Donok.
You're on. Never mind.
Go for no Donok. Go for no Donok.
If we can't break the drakes, maybe shoot the Tempest or something like that.
Tempest
He's
is not
far
good.
off.
You keep catch. Oh no, he might die.
Come on,
He's
guys,
breaking,
come
he's
on.
breaking, he's breaking.
Come on. Heat. Secondary is VO. Go for VO. Go for VO.
He's getting primary now, so.
Lord Carlos.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Move towards Texac in the Basilisk. Move towards Texac in the Basilisk. Slow boats towards him, guys.
You have to switch ammo before we shoot him.
Oh fuck. Yeah, he's drifting off.
Okay, yep, it's I'm on my way now. I left it, they weren't a problem.
Okay, switch targets. Move towards them. Come on, guys. Move towards them.
Okay, don't forget to drop.
What's our primary?
Switch to EM. Go for Texac.
You're back on Nyx.
Make sure you stay in range with the lodges. We're into one them.
We are.
Texac. Yeah, Texac.
Go for Texac. I have him webbed, guys. Go for him. Does anyone have a web or scram on him? I'm scrammed off.
You're off Nyx.
I have a scram.
Yeah.
Okay, lock up Lex Root. He's broadcast. No, he's far off.
All I see is drones around.
Spiral has to look Wait, he's coming out.
We were killing drakes when we cycled. Should we just switch back to our rage?
Yes, switch back to rage. Sorry guys, switch back to rage.
Freeport has been a third party. Logic, you need to reposition Logic.
Guys, for Yoshiro, it's very close. Go for Yoshiro.
He's out of range.
Yeah,
I have a web.
Vio's right on top of us.
Ah,
He's
Vio.
He's scrammed. He's right on top of us.
Okay, go for Vio then.
I was gonna say we shouldn't pre-lock them because that gives them ample time to. We should just, you know, unlock them, relock, and all that.
Just keep switching targets. Move into range, guys. There's Drake's not in range of this Drake I'm shooting.
Come on, guys.
This Drake's 20k off me, and I'm on top of them.
I'm diaggering my
Secondary is
Volvo.
Yoshiro. One, get DPS on Vio. Okay, go for Yoshiro.
Scram Yoshiro.
Secondary is gonna be A-Leech again.
Drones on top of us.
A-Leech as well.
There's a character Ganry right on top of us. That's scramming.
Kill Eli
Try
first.
to
Kill
keep white down
Eli
there.
first.
Secondary.
Secondary is gonna be
Lost Carlos
SPI.
his reps.
Secondary is gonna be SPI.
Maybe the bait taking the breaks a bit.
Gets.
Can we
go
keep
for-
white down tackled?
If Zabos gets primary, don't
SPI.
bait take me out. Zabos gets primary, don't bait
SPI.
take me out. No impulse.
Second.
Yeah, I forgot that.
Secondary is gonna be mechanical, broadcasted. Guys, SPI is getting reps. Okay, switch to mechanical. Alright, that's.
Flash Desolator, it's close.
Yeah, go for flash.
Flash is 100k off, he just entered.
Okay, go.
ALE.
Go for SPI again. Actually, no, he's still getting reps.
ALE is right. Or he's burning away.
They're burning away for now.
Let's follow them, yeah. Like,
Yeah, go after them, guys. Stay up.
Scram on Martinos.
Broadcast, please. Okay,
get the buses below us so you can get owned by the. Actually, you are.
We are.
I'm scan razzing the bases, just switch between drakes if necessary.
Are we doing Marthos?
Yeah, go
But
for
you did take a bit more.
Marthos.
I have Scram on VED the Drake.
Fisty needs reps.
Just broadcast.
Bait tank main, please.
Broadcast at VED.
Okay, Vidya is gonna be secondary.
I got the web on Ilami Basilisk. He's in between us, pretty much.
This guy's tanking better than everything else so far.
Okay, switch to Vidya.
Can we get any more bubbles on them?
Stand by.
Tyrus X is gonna be secondary. Tyrus X is gonna be secondary.
Heat on video, guys.
Yep, beat.
Let's catch some reps.
Nope.
Sturm,
Okay,
take us towards Planet 6 after 2.
switch to Tyrus, switch to Tyrus, switch to Tyrus. Stay on top of them, guys. Stay on top of them. Come on, guys. Burn towards them. Stay on top of them. Spread out your webs, scrams, whatever. I have web on Tyrus. Kill him.
Pass 16 is rep.
After Tyrus, we'll go for...
Veg again?
Yeah, go for Vedja. Go for Vedja.
The Caracals are shooting at KLT in the Bassi. Maybe we can help them.
They're stopping. They're stopping damage on me.
Yeah, they're
Freeport are shooting them, by the way.
Okay.
I don't
Guys,
have rep at all.
go for Vedja. Go for...
Should we burn after them? Seems tanking.
What?
There's no broadcasting. Turgid needs to
Oh yeah, Turgid, sorry. I thought I broadcast.
Scram one of their Bassies back, and so when they're running away, they...
I'm gonna range down to bases. The Badger is pretty far away from them.
Ilama is very, very far.
Yeah, let's burn towards Ilama. Let's burn towards Ilama. Burn towards Ilama. And he's burning as well.
It's pretty hard.
Can we get Scram on him?
You could just intercept Freeport now.
We'll
if we
just
burn.
kill Vajja, you should be able to kill him easily.
Yeah,
They're just taking damage now.
Just finish off at
okay, finish up Vedja, guys.
And
Should be
Ilami
fine.
is now far away.
Yeah, okay. Let's move towards that Caracal gang. Move towards that Caracal gang.
Who do you want
Move
Scram on?
towards that. Move towards that Caracal gang, guys. Move
Honestly,
towards
we should
them.
finish off the Drakes and Bassies first now that they're shooting them, and we can actually break
Yeah.
them.
They don't have enough damage to damage it.
Okay, whatever then. Burn towards the Drakes again. Burn towards the Drakes.
Sturm, I'm gonna burn in. Let me know if I get too far with Fisty. I'm gonna burn in and scram one of their bassies. I have a Lachesis, I'm gonna go in and get the Lachesis.
Oh, yeah.
They're warping, they're warping, they're warping.
Go for the other gang. Go for the other gang. Burn towards the Caracals again.
What about last wave?
There's...
Sorry about that.
This will be a primary, guys. Don't lock them up yet. Just move towards
They're
them.
warping, they're warping.
No bubble. I don't think we can get points or whatever.
Nope.
Nope. No well.
Oh, that was awesome though. Drake gang.
Yeah.
I gotta go to station and repair
Yeah, I
my box.
exploded in the Drake when everyone was jammed.
You can buy a new one here.
It's really rare though.
I killed a bunch of them from the beginning with my drones.
Gorgon are landing on Q4 gate.
Align Q4, align Q4, align Q4. Tackle, go to Q4, see if you can snaggle something. Align Q4, align Q4. Everyone warp Q4, everyone warp Q4. Warp now, guys, warp now.
Get out of there, Fisty!
I pointed the bussy for now, but it's not really close. Yeah, not really happy.
We're landing.
I'm jumping, yeah, Save is jumping now. I have 3 bubbles.
Should we reload Majol now?
No.
Doing Drake still.
Yeah,
You want links on Q4?
yes.
They're flying back with me.
That's fine. We've got reps jumping in now.
I got bubble up on him.
Reps jumping in.
Alright, jump on contact, guys. Jump on contact. Jump in.
They regress Saber.
Okay, jump in. Logic says capture in immediately.
Is everything aggressed?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Don't reapproach gate.
Primary.
You're gonna split our
Primary's
aggro.
gonna be Martino's. Primary's gonna be Flash. Go for Flash. Go for Flash.
Tackle anything you can, guys.
Burn guys,
Hold
burn
the
guys,
lap,
burn
hold the
after them,
lap.
burn after them. Come on. They're fucking faster than us. MPD. Do we have point on anything?
I have caught the buses.
I've got a point. I've
and
got a point on
Lex
SPI.
Burn towards the buses, guys. Burn towards the buses.
Point on the
Lex
faces.
No, just 1 second.
Okay, go for Cod first. Go for Cod first.
Get cap up now.
Loading the jewel there.
Who's primary?
Cod A in the Betty.
Whoops. Got point in my scepter.
Okay, kill the Betty.
Turgid, we have you. Do whatever you need to. Just go in.
Johnny is not moving in the Drake.
Yeah, I'm
Can
burning
someone... Is he
I've
there?
got the Johnny pointed, and I've got
on top of him.
Aleko pointed.
I've got the Basilisk pointed, and I'm gonna get flesh.
Guys, overheat a bit on the Betty.
I'm going for a web on Johnny.
I'm gonna scram him in a second. I have scram on Dijoni.
Boon, you get out of range. Come closer to us.
Dijoni will be secondary. Guys, come on, kill this fucking Basilisk.
Can you broadcast?
They're probably eating reps. Let's just keep on them for a minute. Nah, they got him.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
I have Dijoni scram the Drake and switch.
Vicious
Yeah,
Flesh
let's-
Desolator scrammed in the Drake as well.
Who has a scram? Speak
Vicious
up now.
Lammy in the Bassy scrammed.
Which Drake has a scram? Speak up now.
Dijoni.
D-Joni.
Yes, I know. Which Drake has a scram fitted to keep
Mine's
on the
burnt out.
Basilisk?
I have the Bassi with Gilroy.
Okay, go for it then. Go for Dijoni.
Are you confirming you have Yemi pointed in the Bassy? Or I'm going for Lex with my other.
Next one.
I've got Talasak and Yemi and Yonix pointed. And Bassi, sorry.
Okay, if you keep Tassie, I'll keep Yemi pointed.
Who's secondary still?
Secondary is gonna be Tech, I guess.
Is Flash tackle?
Flesh is tackled, confirmed.
Near what
Tactical
your links in
unit is
case Freeport
decloaked.
comes in.
Let's go
Need,
for
need
Tech.
someone to call
Let's go for Tech.
secondary and Talsec.
Yeah.
Someone to call secondary and Talsec.
Let's go for Tech Sec, guys. Peace.
What last point on Talsec?
I am already walking.
He's burning very fast, we should web him.
Burning into us, isn't he?
Yep.
I think he's trying to go towards the gate.
Is what?
Webbed.
Can we go back to Freeport so I can repair after this?
Yeah, of course.
We have
Secondary?
scram on Cot A.
I have caught scrammed the entire time, yeah.
Alright, let's go for... We have Ilami as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have
Go
all
for
of them.
Ilami. Go for Ilami.
Flash is dying, he's right next to Ronnie.
Yeah, just put my hands on Flesh, because it's close.
Dude, I've been.
Did... That 3... Never mind. Yeah, he came back.
No, been there for ages.
Oh, I'm just a massive retard then.
pretty much bought the mirror game, so let's more tackle.
And smart bombs somewhere.
I didn't notice any smart bombs, I just said
Yeah, my drones
No,
got
they had
smart
smart
bombs.
bombs.
Manticore launched a bomb on us, that's where my drones took damage at least.
Kill that Drake, guys. And go back to pod.
That was good.
Yeah, that was really good.
Took them long enough, like just stalking us the entire time and trying to find us with their Drake.
Well, I guess they
they
had
were
those
Drakes.
drakes ready, and they were
Yeah.
like, "We need to fight these drakes with drakes," which
Pretty
is
much.
pretty cool.
And
At least they actually brought a mirror match, pretty much.
They've been holding on to their 2010 Drake stash.
Oh, so you bought and carries near it in Freeport.
Yeah, while you guys were fighting.
You were calling out dams. I was like,
What the hell? What?
we don't have any dams.
Yeah.
Never.
God forbid that.
Look at all these miners burning to the bastion instead of warping.
God forbid that he have the most useful ship in like the game.
Yeah, pretty much.
I made that Russian guy in that Drake so mad. Perma pointing his right.